How to reply to birthday wishes on your Facebook timeline. What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can reply to the birthday wishes on your Facebook timeline. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook and make sure to log into your account. And once you're logged in, you are going to have to find the wishes on your profile or your timeline. To do that, just head over to your menu section, open up your settings, and then scroll down all the way until you see your information. So just go ahead and click on Account Center, and once you head over to Account Center, click on your information and permissions. And then from here, click on the very first option, Access Your Information. And here you can just search for others. So it will show you others that post on your timeline. Now here on your Facebook activity, you should be able to see all of your information like the posts and comments you're tagged in and the videos that you are tagged in. So what you're going to do now is go back and head over to your profile section. And once you land on your profile page, all you need to do here is find the post that has been published on your timeline. So for example, this one, you can now just react to it and then simply go ahead and comment your reply and then simply post the reply like this. So you can do this for all of the posts on your timeline. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.